So guys, for the first step, you want to find a picture that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now once you're on this, you want to click on security and now you want to click on advanced. Now once we're here, you want to make sure that the owner is your Windows username. So if it's not, you want to click on change and you want to type in your username right here. If you don't know what your username is, then you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive with the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on users. It should now be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials. So now I'm going to go back and then type in my username in this box. Once you type in your username, you want to click on check names. And it should now underline your username. Now you want to click on OK. And now once you're back here, you want to select Disable Inheritance and then go with this option Convert. Now once that's been done, you want to click on OK. And now once we're here, you want to click on your username and then click on Edit. Select your username again. Now where it says full control, you want to tick this box. Make sure that you have full control ticked on Allow, which should now highlight everything else. You could also repeat this for the other options as well. So you want to pick full control right here for everything that you have over here, and then click on OK. Click on OK again, and this should now fix your problem. You should now be able to open up your picture. If that's not working, you could also repeat what I just showed you right now on the folder that your picture is in. So my picture is right here. You can repeat what I just showed you right now on the folder. So if you right click on it, and then properties, and then security, you can repeat what I just showed you at the start of the video for this folder, and this should now fix your problem.